Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to introduce our new products. These are toasters with 4 slices. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the units will be 12 inches wide and the 10 inches deep. Overall height is just about like 8 inches tall. So when we see the front, they have a 2 temperature adjuster right here to change the levels to toast the bread. And also they do having the standard 110 plugs from the manufacturers. When we look in the behind of the units, we can see they have a 2 ETL sanitation stickers and the serial numbers for the faster service. And this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.